In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear download history on Google Chrome. If you regularly download files, the downloads list in Chrome can get long and cluttered. Clearing it is a quick way to tidy things up and protect your privacy, especially if you share your computer. Just a heads up before we begin, clearing your download history only removes the list inside Chrome. It does not delete the actual files from your computer. Your documents, images, and installers remain in your downloads folder or wherever you saved them. Begin with Chrome open on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click those three dots to open the menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its tools and settings, and it's the starting point for getting to your downloads. In the menu that appears, click Downloads. That takes you to the Downloads page in a new tab where Chrome shows everything you've downloaded through the browser. You'll see file names, the dates you downloaded them, and quick links that open their locations on your computer. If a file was removed or moved, Chrome may show it as missing, which is normal and not a problem for clearing the list. On the Downloads page, find the Clear All option, usually at the upper right area of the list. Click Clear All. Chrome immediately removes all items from the list. Again, this action does not remove the files from your device, only the record inside the browser. If you don't see Clear All, it likely means the list is already empty. You can confirm by refreshing the tab or closing and reopening the Downloads page. That's all there is to it. You click the three dots to open the Chrome menu, selected Downloads to view your list, and then chose Clear All to wipe the history. Going forward, you can repeat this anytime you want a clean slate. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you still need quick access to a file after clearing the list, you can always open your computer's Downloads folder. Most systems place it in your user directory, and that's where Chrome saves by default unless you've changed the location. Also, clearing download history is separate from clearing browsing data or cache. Doing this won't sign you out of sites or change your browsing history. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more private Chrome experience.